Hey guys, Justin here with H-Town Garage. Wanted to give you guys a quick video here on an upgrade I did for my compressor, shop compressor. Used to be a Husky, as you can see there. Kind of converted it to a Harbor Freight-ish style. Got the 5 horsepower pump from Harbor Freight and matched it to a new 5 horsepower motor from Amazon, I believe, and came out pretty good. Also had to order another pulley to get the RPM right on the drive. So it's supposed to do about 15 CFM at 90 PSI. That's what I'm shooting for anyway. The previous pump that was on it was a single cylinder, 3 horsepower, and a single phase 3 horsepower motor. That was only doing 10 CFM. And so what I'm trying to do is some sandblasting eventually, and going to be working on a truck build project coming up. So thought I might try to upgrade this. It was kind of a pain. I had to extend the platform there, which it's not pretty, but it does pump air. Had to extend the platform, do a little modification, but and then the new copper, that was the hard part. Was the fitting that comes with the Harbor Freight pump is just, it's a HVAC fitting, so it's nothing that you would normally see on one of these compressors. So had to do some reducing from 3/4 down to half, and then into a compression fitting for the copper. So it turned out okay, but that was quite a fight to find the right fittings and get all that put together and sized right. It was probably the hardest part. So anyway, thought I'd let you guys see the upgrade. Going to be doing some sandblasting in the morning. Got to do an unboxing on this guy. It's not going to be pretty. I know the sandblasting thing can be a big pain, but that's why I upgraded the compressor. So going to do an unboxing video in the morning on this Harbor Freight blasting tank. I also bought another nozzle to go with it. So hopefully I've got everything I need to make that work in the morning and give this new compressor a test at 15 PSI or 15 CFM. So anyway guys, just wanted to give you guys an update on the upgrade, and hopefully if you have any questions about doing this yourself, you can just leave something in the comments and I'll be happy to help you out if I can. Have a great day.